Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: orange ginger beef short ribs. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients that we will be using: rice vinegar, black pepper, salt, tamari, orange juice, beef broth, chili pepper, cilantro, ginger, garlic, scallions and onions, and also let me show you the short ribs of beef. I already washed them and I rinsed them in cold water. These are the short ribs that I'm going to be using. Now I have a pot here. We have to first brown the short ribs in this pot. And then I'm going to add some oil to the pot. Now, we're going to salt and pepper the short ribs of beef. Now we're going to add half of the short ribs to the pot and let it brown on each side for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to add the second batch in when we take out the first batch. Let's take a look and see how the short ribs have been jumping in the pot. Let's flip them over to the next side. Oh, they're browning pretty good on this side, on that side. Now, after they done brown on this side, I will take them out and put them in a plate and put the second batch in. I've just taken the beef out of the pot, and this is it. Now, the next step is we're going to saute the onions and scallion, the ginger, and the garlic. And the chili pepper. We're sauteing this up in the pan. until the onions get translucent. Then we will move on to the next step. And also, I've turned my oven on to 375 degrees, and I'm letting it heat up because the short rib of beef goes into the oven for about 2.5 hours. Now let's see. The onions and the garlic and the chili pepper and ginger has cooked to perfection. Now we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to add the orange juice, the beef broth, the cilantro, the tamari, and the rice vinegar. So what we do now is let this here simmer for about 10 minutes, and then we add the beef back into the pot and cover it up and put it in the oven for 2.5 hours. Well, it's been over 2.5 hours, and my orange ginger beef short ribs is ready. I've taken it out of the oven and I've plated some up. Take a look. And I've garnished it with some cilantro. See? You can serve this with white rice, brown rice, or roasted vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, or even a salad, whatever you choose to have with it. So if you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye.